I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by confirming compatibility. Make sure your TV explicitly supports USB Bluetooth dongles or has built-in Bluetooth, because plugging a dongle into an unsupported TV won't help. Next, plug a known compatible dongle into a powered USB port. Once connected, the TV should detect new USB hardware. Then prepare the accessory you want to pair, put headphones or speaker into pairing mode, and keep them close. While you do that, open the TV's input or settings menu so you can follow the next configuration steps. Once done, navigate to the TV's Bluetooth section, often under Network or Sound Settings, and start a scan. You'll see your accessory listed. Select it and accept any PIN prompt, usually 0000 or 1234, to complete pairing. If the TV fails to show the accessory, check for a firmware update or an accessory app in the TV's App Store, because some USB dongles require a driver or app to expose pairing settings. Make sure you confirm audio output is set to the Bluetooth. You finish by selecting the Bluetooth device as the TV's audio output and play a short clip to verify sync and volume. If audio lags or disconnects, unpair then repair from the TV's Bluetooth menu. Restart the TV and accessory if necessary. Make sure the dongle is in a USB port that supplies power, and try a different port or a powered USB hub if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: update the TV firmware and the dongle firmware if available, because most compatibility problems are fixed by updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.